My name is Christopher Buttner, publisher of Calaveras I'm addressing this board regarding its anticipated funding allocation for the CVB, the Calaveras Visitors Bureau, for fiscal year 26-27. The facts before this board are no longer in dispute. They are established, documented in the hands of multiple enforcement authorities. The CVB is a mutual benefit nonprofit corporation. It has been registered as such with the California Secretary of State and the California Department of Justice since July 12, 2021. It is not a nonprofit association. It is not a public benefit nonprofit corporation. The CVB continues falsely representing itself contractually as both a nonprofit association and a public benefit nonprofit corporation to the City of Angels Camp and Calaveras County, respectively, in funding agreements worth approximately $1.8 million in transient occupancy taxes. This is alleged fraudulent misrepresentation, neither ambiguous nor an administrative oversight, and this board and administration know it. CVB Executive Director Martin Huberty, simultaneously occupying the office of District 3 Supervisor, filed official state and federal documents correctly identifying the CVB as a mutual benefit nonprofit corporation since 2021, while simultaneously and personally benefiting from funding agreements falsely identifying it otherwise. That contradiction is deliberate, documented, and now the subject of active converging legal proceedings from which there is no retreat. Criminal complaint 26-000946, naming Supervisor Huberty, was initiated with the Calaveras County Sheriff's Office on March 16, 2026, alleging grant, fraud, and misuse of public funds. Sworn FPPC Enforcement Division complaint 0308-2026-00663, active against Supervisor Huberty, carries consequences that include removal from public office and felony criminal exposure. Escalation to the California Attorney General's office and State Controller's office is underway. The CVB's 501c6 IRS tax-exempt status is being challenged for cause. The issuer of Calaveras County's government crime policy has been formally placed on notice. This board has been cautioned without acknowledgement and then justifiably warned repeatedly for 3 years, and yet has willfully declined to act in accordance with its fiduciary obligations. Each supervisor who fails to support corrective action does so with full documented knowledge of the facts. That prolonged willful inaction has legal consequences. This administration and board approving any additional funding allocation for the CVB without first voiding the allegedly fraudulent executed tourism promotion agreement is not a routine budget decision. It is a deliberate knowing act, and the law treats deliberate knowing acts accordingly. My name's Christopher Buttner, publisher of CalaverasWatchdog.com. Thank you.